Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely new shape BMW 1 Series Sport. Lovely host of extras and options on it. It's in lovely condition, finished in Titan silver. The car does not look or drive like the mod. It's such good value for money at this price range point. Front park distance control, got the upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Really struggling to find any marks on this car. Rear diffuser. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. 130,000 miles. Oh, let's open it up. Back to the boot. Boot area is in lovely condition, and we've got the rear parcel shelf too. It's got this lovely half leather finish to it. The hooks down there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial leather on there. Obviously being the facelift, you've got all the nice new modifications, mod cons on the dashboard. Done 102,719 miles. Just started up. Auto headlights, 102,719. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, media pack, DAB radio, Bluetooth. It's all down, control from down here. Eco, Pro, Comfort, Sports modes, 6-speed gearbox, USB, heated seats, book packs. It's lovely, absolutely stunning condition, no wear on anything. Great price point vehicle for a 1 Series on a new shape. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.